Wait, if everything is truly one, then who is the other? And if there is no other, then what does dualism even mean? This question is not new. Humanity has been asking this for thousands of years. In Indian philosophy, Adi Shankaracharya explained this beautifully through Advaita Vedanta, the philosophy of non-duality. The ancient Upanishads give us a powerful idea called neti neti, not this, not this. You are not your mind. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are not your body. You are not your pain or your pleasure. So what remains? Who are you really? The one who sees everything but cannot be seen. The silent witness behind all experience. That is you. Ancient wisdom says, Aham Brahmasmi. I am the ultimate reality. Non-dualism simply means this. There are not two, there is only one. Adi Shankaracharya said that everything, this world, you, me, consciousness, reality itself, is just different expressions of the same ultimate existence. And this idea wasn't limited to India. The great Sufi philosopher Ibn Arabi spoke about Wahdat al-Wujud, the unity of being. He said, "There is only one existence. Nothing truly exists except the one reality." If there is only one existence, then the observer and the observed were never separate. In my previous video, Paradox of Consciousness, I explained this. The observer is you. The observed is also you. And that is the secret of non-duality. Duality is necessary to live, but non-duality is necessary to understand. Both Sufism and Vedanta point to the same truth. Reality is fundamentally one. Buddha called it dependent origination. You are not a separate self. Nothing exists independently. Everything arises together. Everything is connected. And even science points in the same direction. Everything is energy. Nothing is truly separate. Particles are interconnected. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Which means, at the deepest level, everything is one. This is non-dualism. This is Advaita. This is Wahdat al-Wujud. This is emptiness. And that is who you truly are. You were never separate from the universe. You are the universe experiencing itself.